Hi guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to block all ads on Windows 10. Just follow my video steps. Step 1. Turn off Start menu ads. Open Windows settings. Click on Personalization. Click on Start. Turn off Show Suggestions occasionally and Start. Step 2. Turn off lock screen ads. Open Windows settings. Click on Personalization. Click on Lock Screen. Choose Picture or Slideshow instead of Windows Spotlight. This will stop the ads shown on the lock screen. Turn off. Get fun facts, tips and more from Windows and Cortana on your lock screen. Step 3. Block ads in settings on Windows 10. Click on Privacy. Turn off the option for Let apps use my advertising ID. Turn off Allow website to provide locally relevant content. Click on Activity History. Clear activity history. Click on Clear. Uncheck Store my activity history on this device. Uncheck Send my activity history to Microsoft. Step 4. Block ads from notifications on Windows 10. Open Windows settings. Click on System. Click on Notifications and Actions. Turn off Get notifications from apps and other senders. And other unchecked. Step 5. Block ads in File Explorer on Windows 10. Search File Explorer. In the File Explorer window that opens, click the View tab at the top of the window. Find and click the Options button in the ribbon below. Click the View tab. Scroll through the advanced settings until you find Show Sync Provider Notifications. Uncheck this box, click Apply to save the changes, and then click OK. Step 6. Turn off other apps ads and notifications. Turn off News and Interests. Right-click on Taskbar. Go to News and Interests, select Turn off. Turn off Cortana. Uncheck Show Cortana button. Turn off Show Search Highlights. Right-click on Taskbar. Go to Search, uncheck Show Search Highlights.